So I am at the beautiful Lone Oak Rifle and Pistol Club in Cowlitz County, Washington, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this cool little portable Master Armorer's Vice Kit. So this is a product brought to you by Hyskore, and I have it laid out. It looks like it's going to work great, though as you can see they decided to make a very burly concrete shooting rest here, so we're going to be using it on the plywood side towards the back here where you'd likely be working on your rifle anyways. So here I'll be setting her up. Now, as you can see, in a matter of minutes, I have the vise set up and working. Now, you do need a 3/4 inch end wrench in order to tighten that lock nut there. Once you do, this handle works great, and it really helps you cinch that up. As you can see, there's some EVA foam pad there to help cushion and keep from damaging the side of your firearm. And it makes it much easier to pop open your receivers. Take the bolt loose. There she is. Just like that. Fully portable, easy to use, and quick to set up Armorer's Vise. I'd say now that it's assembled, in order to set it back up, it'd probably take me less than a minute in the same location. If I had to adjust for a different size bench, it might take me a minute longer, but this is really incredibly easy. Now, after playing with this vise for a few short minutes, there's a few features that set this vise apart from most anything else on the market. Now, if I were to work on the lower receiver, this would be great. Pop that pin, barrel would fall down, and everything in the lower receiver is relatively flat. Now, if I want to work on the upper receiver, I just loosen this knob right here, and you'll see those teeth come apart. There we go. Once they're apart, you can rotate the entire vise 360 degrees. Say I want to work on the upper receiver. I'll put that at a steep cant like that. Tighten this back up. And now you can see the rifle is at a relatively steep cant. I'll pull my rear pin. Put my upper receiver down. And now, as you can see, it's much easier to pull my bow carrier and everything else apart on the upper receiver. And then, in just a few seconds, loosen that, tighten it back up in the orientation you want, and you can work on your rifle a different way. The other feature I really like is this very large crank handle. So, loose, tight, and with that knob, it's very fast and very easy. Now, this is pretty thin plywood. I'd say it's probably 3/8 or smaller. So I did have to put a shim on the top right there, a little piece of wood. But with that piece of wood, it's as secure as can be. Now, as you can see, when you pack the vise up, you flip the vise end over end, and it's really quite small and easy to pack around. One last feature I want to address before I end this video is there's also this extra padding included. Now, the reason this is included is it's a barrel clamp. That way, if you're working on the receiver or bolt of your hunting rifle, you can clamp the barrel using those pads right in there. It'll hold safe and secure and allow the trigger group to be extended past the vise so that you can work on it easily wherever you're at. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.